a common mistake that people make when trying to fix their credit is they will speak to debt collectors on the phone, okay? And they will try to negotiate with these debt collectors over the phone. And a lot of times, debt collectors, their main priority is to make some kind of payment arrangement. Hey, Jason, this is Bill with ABC Collection Company. We noticed that you didn't pay your AT&T bill about 6 months ago. It was placed in our office for collections. Hey, we were calling to see if you can make some kind of arrangement to get this account in good standing. Right? That's their conversation. And then, I was like, oh man, I totally forgot about that. What do I have to do to, pay this account? Well, your account balance is $142.50. We can get that paid today, or we can get you on some kind of payment arrangement. And then because you're in a state of like, oh damn, I didn't mean to answer the phone, you're trying to do whatever you can to fix this situation, right? So what you do is you negotiate some kind of payment. And a lot of times you shoot yourself in the foot. Because one, if that debt remains on your credit report, a paid collection and an unpaid collection has the same negative impact. So what we want to do is we want to try to get that removed, right? And with you talking to them over the phone, you're not really thinking about strategy. You're really thinking about what can I do to get them off the phone. So you make some kind of payment arrangement. However, by you negotiating over the phone, a couple things happen. One, you have no power, okay? They have all the power because they're going to use fear tactics. Hey, we're going to take you to court. Hey, we're going to send the sheriff to your house. Like they'll do anything to get that money, right? And by you negotiating those payments over the phone, you lose all the power, okay? Two, depending on how old the collection is over the phone, you can end up shooting yourself in the foot because that account could be renewed, okay? And what I mean by that is accounts that are reporting on your credit report, they have an expiration date, okay? And accounts that are reporting on your credit report, 7 years and 180 days from the date of last activity, okay? So let's say that collection account was added to your credit report in 2010, okay? It's 2019 today. ABC Collection Company calls your house and say, hey, AT&T bill that you had from 2010 was sent to our office for collections. What can we do to rectify this issue? And you make some payment arrangement, right? By you making that payment arrangement, what you have done is you have basically renewed you re-aged the debt, okay? Re-aging the debt means that the date of last activity is now renewed to a more current status. I say this all the time. When they're computing your credit score, they're looking at recent activity that has occurred within the last 36 months has the biggest impact on your credit score, okay? By you paying an old account, for one, you lose the power to negotiate. Two, by you negotiating over the phone and making some kind of payment, remember that pay status versus pay status not helping your credit. And then three, you are renewing the date of last activity. You're re-aging that account. So instead of that account falling off your credit report automatically any day now, it's now going to fall off your credit report 7 years and 180 days in the future. Hustling backwards. You just played yourself.